Okay, so soup we're going to try now is a white onion soup, a curried white onion soup finished with spring onions, coriander and coconut milk. So here we go. So it's a white onion, so I don't want the pan to start off too hot. So we're going to add a little bit of oil in there now. I'm also going to add a little bit of butter. Got your butter in, let's drop the butter in. Like so. Okay. So that's just cooking slowly. Just get it turned on now. So that'll come up slowly then. So onions, I've peeled my onions. Like so. Got them peeled and ready. So we're just going to slice these down. I'm just going to cut that root out. Okay. You can hear it sizzling. Don't want it too hot. I'll just take it off for now. Lose that bit. Let's just take the root out of all of these. That little knobbly bit. Where is it? There it is. Again, one more. There we go. Okay. So we get rid of this. Don't want too much rubbish. Okay. We start to slice the onions. So I've got the onions facing that way. So we So these are Spanish onions. So there we go, we've got all them there. I'm going to drop that back on the heat, not too hot. We'll just get those gently cooking. Oh, I dropped it on the floor, that's not good. Okay. So now I've got my trusty spoon. There's a little bit of a shuffle around, and I'm just going to use this one as well. Shuffle it up, there we go, drop that in. Okay, so I'm also going to add some salt. So we got a little bit of sea salt, drop a little bit in there, look. A little bit like that, there we go. And also a little bit of sugar. Spin, a little bit of sugar, bring the sweetness out, oh a little bit, there we go. That was about a teaspoon of sugar, well actually that's about half a teaspoon. So we're going to cook these off slowly. So slowly, a little bit of butter, a little bit of oil, cook them off slowly. And I'm also going to use some potato in the soup, so we just need to peel the potato. Just cut it down. I'll use half of that one. Skin over there. We don't want it too crazy. Let's just turn that on. There we go. Let's just peel this potato. So I'm just taking the skin off carefully, going around it with my sharp knife. It's a really good idea to invest in a good peeler or two, and hide one up. Okay. There we go. Drop that in there. And now I'm just going to cut the potato down into smallish pieces. That way, so. We'll cook quickly. Down we go. Down. Okay. One more. Okay. Potatoes ready to go. Just drop that in a bowl. So. There we go. Okay. I'm not going to put any garlic in this one. So now it's just, okay, and I'm also going to do it curried, so I've got a bit of curry powder. So this is just a mild curry powder. So I'm trying to make a white onion curried, no, an onion curry soup. I also just want to finish the soup off with some spring onions. So I'm just going to, you're going to need like dead bits of the spring onions, we just pick them off. I'll just cut those off, cut the end off, and now I Save those bits for later. Okay. And now I'm just going to slice the spring onion down quite finely, like so. Okay. And I'll just drop this into the onion, and I'll drop this into the soup a bit later on. Okay, this bit. Lovely jubbly. Keep an eye on the onion. Don't want it to be too crazy. Okay. And as the onions start cooking, I don't know if you can see on there, but they start going translucent in colour. They have this kind of shine come out. That's cooking along nicely. I'm also going to add a little bit of coriander. Coriander. Which goes well with curries. So this is the coriander. See that one there? Keep the onions going. So I'm just going to pick the leaves off the stalks. Just get them in there, get that one there. Keep an eye on the onions. Okay, that's looking... Oh, I can really smell the onions. Really? Cool. Okay. Now, I think there's like that. As we can see, now it's time to add the curry powder. Oh, bloody hell. Okay, so we're going to add, so that's about, what, half a tablespoon curry powder. I'm also going to add, so I'm doing about 1 tablespoon of mild curry powder. Let's put that to the side. I'm going to just cook that off in the air. Oh, you can really smell the curry powder. Okay, get that going. So you want to cook the spices off for a few minutes. A bit windy. Got the window open because you're going to be smelling of onions, and there's a bit of a wind coming from somewhere, blowing down from wherever it's blowing down from. Okay. So now we're going to add some water. So I've got 500 millilitres of water. I'm also going to add some coconut milk later on. So, okay, so I'm not going to add all of that. So that was, what, 250 millilitres. So, and I'm just going to add a little bit more. Okay. I think, do you know what, I'm adding coconut milk later on, so let's just not put too much water in there. You can see that? So you've got the onions, got the curry powder cooked off, now I've got the potatoes. I'm just going to drop the potatoes in there. Lovely. Give it a quick taste. It's a little bit spicy, but it's nice. Oh yeah, it's nice spicy. That is nice spiciness. How much was that? So that was 1 tablespoon in there. Okay, that was good. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add add a little bit of white pepper. Yeah. What was that? That was like, okay. So I've got some spring onions chopped up to go in the soup a bit later on. I've got some coriander that I'm going to drop in the soup later on. I'm also going to finish it with a little bit of coconut milk. So now we're just going to boil this for about 10 minutes, 15 minutes or so, and then I'm going to come back to finish the soup up. Now I'm going to finish off the curried potato onion soup. So I've been cooking this for about 10 minutes now. It's reduced down quite a lot. See that? So it's going to need a bit more water. I've also got some coconut milk that I want to add into it. Okay, so coconut milk, in there's about 400 millilitres. So let's just get the coconut milk. So give it a bit of a stir around. There we go. Okay. Now we'll see where we are for the consistency. Consistency, it still needs a little bit more liquid. Really, the coconut milk in there smells absolutely lovely. Okay. So I've got a bit more hot water here. So I'm just going to thin it down slightly. I don't want to thin it down too much. Okay. Okay. I think, okay, do you know what? Oh, tiny bit more. Let's put that to the side. Just going to boil that again for a minute or so. Get my spoon. Have a little bit of a taste. It's coconut milk, I'll tell you. Coconut milk. Okay. So the coconut milk has really balanced that out. I had a tablespoon of curry powder in there, and it was quite spicy. Cooked it out for about 10 minutes, and then it balanced it out nicely. The potatoes were taking in the curry flavour, and now just finishing it off with the coconut milk has really helped it to be a lot more tasty. Oh yeah. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little bit more salt, a bit of stir. Another taste, and then I'm going to blitz it. You know what? Let's get a little bit more in there. And a little bit of white pepper. Okay. I think that'll do. I've also got my spring onions here and my coriander that I'm going to finish the soup off with. So let's get it blitzed down. So I'm going to put it into another saucepan because it's easier to split. Oh God! It's very windy at the back there. The window's open. Okay. So stick blender. I'm going to start it off slowly. Remember, the soup is very, very hot. We don't want to go too fast, too quickly, and splash it and burn ourselves. Let's turn it down. Pulse it. Look, it's pure down, beautiful, really, really good. Consistency is good. And it's a beautiful colour, lovely colour. A few more bits in there still, but I'm just going to give it a quick taste to see how we're going on the flavour. Oh, look at that. It's good. Is that looking good? Or is that looking... I'm not even going to pass this one, it's so smooth. A little bit of heat, I can taste the really good curry powder, curry flavour of it, coconut milk flavour. Now we're just going to get in a bowl, use the spoon. Okay. And do you know what? 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 Okay. Let's put these to the side. Go and get me bits. We're going to actually drop a few of these in the bottom of the bowl. You see that? So I've got a few spring onions. I'll drop it in the bottom. Okay. I've got the coriander. I'm going to slice my coriander up. But not all of it. There's a few whole leaves still there. Just like so. I'm also going to put a little bit of that in the bottom. With a little surprise. There we go. Okay. And then, a bit more spring onion in there. And then we're going to get some curried soup in there. Oh my word. Oh my word. Oh my word. Okay. And then I'm going to... So just finished the soup off there. It's got some spring onions sprinkled on the top, like so, and some coriander on the top, like that. And I've got a little bit of coconut milk. Do this little design thing as well if you want. Splodges on there. Oh yeah. Okay. I think that looks curried onion and potato soup with spring onion, coriander and a little bit of coconut milk.